Alright, so today I'm going to be installing a pair of 12mm torque solution exhaust hangers. They're polyurethane. I'm only putting these on the back for the muffler. Normally when you order this, it's a set of 5, 2 for the front of the mid pipe, 1 for the back of the mid pipe, and then the 2 for the muffler. I'm just doing these because when I take turns, but mostly actually when I enter parking lots or exit parking lots, there's enough movement here that it's doing that on my tow hitch. So, and I think that basically what's happening is between the agency power S pipe pushing the pipe back a little bit and the OEM exhaust hangers being really loose, as I will show you here, it's started to get worse. I mean, it was fine actually up for about a month ago, and now it's starting to bang every time I go in and out of parking lots. So I'm going to install this right there. It's about the right spacing as the OEM one, so I don't think I'll have any problems. Now, to get the old ones off, I'm basically going to take a small flathead screwdriver, wedge it underneath here, and then push it until I get this past the lip, and then I'll work the top off. And I'll do the other side as well, but I'm going to put something underneath of the muffler to support it before I do that. And then when I go to put this on, I'm going to use some lithium grease on the holes to help make it easier to slide on and also prevent any squeaking. And people use normally a pair of channel locks. I don't have a good pair, so I'm going to use a C-clamp instead. So let me go ahead and get this installed, and then we'll see if it fixes my my movement problem. So far so good. I ended up doing the left side first. I didn't actually need any support underneath the muffler for this one. The old OEM one, I actually popped it off the bottom here first, and then once I did that, it slid off the top pretty easily. I also did not need any tools to get the new one on. I just put some grease and slid it right into place. So here is a comparison. I'll show you here's the OEM one. As you can see, it's pretty soft. And here's the new one. So, and then of course, if you want to see how the holes line up, you can see I think the holes on this one, if I look straight down, are actually, yeah, they are about the same spacing. So, all right, now we're doing the right side. I'm gonna have to unbolt the muffler here because there's not enough movement to do it. Because if you look here, you'll see that the muffler mount goes this way, but the car mount goes the other way. So, and the problem is that there's not enough room to move it to be able to get this off and then get the new one in place. So I'm going to unbolt this here so I have some room. And this time I will put something underneath it here so I don't get smacked in the face while I'm underneath. So I'm going to get this in place, and then we'll see how the movement is afterwards. Okay, I got the right side in now. I did have some problems getting it to fit over the top of here, the lip. For some reason, it was much harder on the right side than the left side for me, so I did have to use some tools. Now, this is when I discovered that my 4-inch C-clamp here did not open up far enough to go around the hanger and the back of the mount. So if you're going to use a C-clamp or a pair of channel locks, use a 5-inch opening on them. Now, what I ended up doing actually was using one of these, which I got at Harbor Freight for pretty cheap. And this actually worked really well. I just put it on both sides, squeeze, and it went right on. So now to check for the exhaust movement here, because this is the problem I had. So as you can see, it's not really moving at all there. So I'm not banging on this piece anymore because of that. And let's check from this side here, because this is the side that you can see moving a lot. As you can see, not really moving. And also not touching the bumper here, so I don't have to worry about that. So I think I've solved my problem. So if you have excessive exhaust movement, check out the Torque Solution polyurethane exhaust hangers. The TC ones use the 12mm, which means that all the TCs use 12mm size. So since I've got a tC2.5, so go ahead, check them out. You can get it on, if you want to just get single ones like I did find it on Amazon that way. You can order it from Torque Solution site as well. Just look for 12mm universals. So hopefully this works out for you. Thanks for watching.